So in this question we have a piece of paper like this, which has two holes in it that have been cut into it, and when it's folded in half it looks like this. So this is the folded piece of paper and this is the hole here, this shape here, and we want to know which of these 5 options could not be the unfolded sheet of paper. So this is the folded, and what happens when we unfold it? Well, let's first look at A. So we're taking this and folding it on top of this. And so we can see that the hole we have here when we fold will be reflected. So it'll actually fall exactly onto the hole here. So in fact we see that our answer must be A, because when we fold it we're just going to get the shape like this as our hole, which is clearly not the same as that. And so the answer is A. To see why the others aren't the answer, let's have a look at B first. So we take B, and when we fold the piece of paper, this arrow flips, but it's symmetrical, so we can just move it across like this, and we get something which looks like this. Now you can see that if we look at the hole, it's going to be this in pink here, which is in fact exactly the shape we're looking for. And so B works. Similarly, if we take C and reflect it, again the square is symmetrical, so when we flip it, it's not going to make any difference, so we can just move it on top here. And again we can see that if we look at where the overlap of the two shapes is, we get exactly the shape that we want. There. So let's do the same with D. So we take D, we imagine folding the paper, so this moves on to here, and you should be able to see now that this is going to give us the overlap of exactly what we want, so our hole will be in the correct place. Finally, for E, E is the one which you might think, how on earth is this going to become what we want it to become? But you need to remember that it's going to flip when we fold the piece of paper, so we get something which looks like this. And so it's a bit wonky, but you should be able to see that the hole we have will be along here, here. And so actually this does give us the hole we want. And so we find that our answer must be A.